So hopefully I have acquired the right thing to keep my rearview mirror up. Got some Gorilla Glue. I was reading it and I was like, bonds, wood, stone, metal, ceramics, foam, glass, yes! And then I got all excited because I thought for sure it was just like wood glue or something. I'm gonna be putting this ground wire on for my big 3. So it's got the one terminal, got ripped off at Home Depot, bought a 3-pack, only got one, and I got this terminal which I found, so we're good. Both crimped nicely.
Fuck you.
Pete from my work is talking. Pete, shut the fuck up. Alright.
Oh, fuck you, Pete.
Peace, guys. Okay. That's the 0 gauge for the ground, and I'm probably just gonna ground it right about here. So I'm gonna sand that down right there. What's the ground wire? That's a negative, positive. They both got the little yellow 0 gauge going now. So that's nice. And yeah, let me get that going. Alright, see I got the run stuck on there. It's kind of dark out because it's nighttime, but the run actually comes perfect with this stock screw right here. So what I'm going to do is take it out. So I found the fitting for it. So let's go ahead and take this out. But I got it. Very tight screw. I know I could have found a better ground, like, well, I can't really find specifically, but like the strut tower, which it's down below, but this is good enough. I'm gonna sand the shit out of it. Let's go ahead and get this out. Okay. So all I gotta do is just sand that down and make it look nice. So, and then sand the bottom of this screw down. Okay, let's get to it. Much better wire for ground, much better. Yeah. Way better. Alright. Okay. Just got done like pushing my car. Just because. It's running. That's what we're sitting at right now. Tell. But the ground's the ground, it's not hard, so you know it's working. Oh yeah. Should be good. Should be good. We are good. So that was fun. Late night adventure. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful video. Wonderful. Wonderful. Peace, guys.